Okay, people. Hey, I'm doing an exhaust installation here on a 2011 LP560 Gallardo, and I'm using an Akrapovic exhaust system, however you pronounce that. And I'm doing this because of the lack of that type of video for that system on YouTube. They're all just like all-out full throttle type of examples with no comparison to stock. So that's what I'm going to do here. Right now I didn't get started yet, but I'm going to point out a couple of things I noticed with this setup. And to make sure that you're getting a genuine system and not some knockoff. Now here's the tips, and I guess these are the tips that they sell for like $1,200 or something stupid. And they're the dry carbon tips. They use an actual, I don't know if it's a piece of titanium or stainless steel with the logo on it, that have little screws that's screwed in. And well, these things are, you know, they're very well made. Everything's riveted together. Looks like a nice piece, but $1,200? Come on. But that's them. And they are different from, I have the reason why I got the system for the LP560 was because I have the system already on this X6M. And the tips, I don't know if you can see this with the sun killing me here, but they're pretty wildly different here. They just have the logo imprinted on them, and they're still nice. They look great. This system sounds great on that car. That's why I decided to go with it on here. And the sun, I can't see what I'm doing here, but so that's that's the tips. Then we have the system itself, and there's a couple of things on it I noticed that would help you determine that it's original or it's genuine and not some knockoff again. It has the logo in like 6 different places. Here it has the logo on the valves themselves. It has the logo down here at that bracket and up on the top of the other bracket, which you can't see, but so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, and the same thing on the other side. So there's actually 8 of those insignia on the setup. So that's what's going on. I'm going to start up. This is, as far as I know, this is a stock muffler. I mean, I have no reason to suspect different. No one told me that it was changed. Never really heard one in person other than this one, so I have to assume that this is the original muffler. The only thing that I've done to it is I have a remote set up here that will open or close the valves at will. Right now it's I think I have it set for fully open all the time. So everybody knows this startup, it's loud, even with the stock system. But after a minute, 30 seconds a minute or something, it drops down. I hope this is a stock muffler. I don't want to be. Not that it sounds bad. It sounds pretty good, but like I said, I'm in love with the Akrapovic stuff, and had an opportunity to get one, and here it is. And this is my next project here. This video, when this ends, I don't know if I'll be able to edit the 2 together, so I might just keep it as 2 parts. But part 1 is just the sound of the stock. And there it goes. Okay, that's the kick down. And now they're open. Let's see if you can tell the difference between open and closed. Okay, that's closed. Open. Open. Closed. Open again. Closed. I guess it does. Alright, well that's all closed. Now we're open again. Alright, so that's that. I don't need to overdo that. The neighbors probably wondering what the hell I'm up to. But so that's it for the first one. And then as soon as I get this done, maybe by the end of the weekend, then we'll hear what the Akrapovic sounds like.